Welcome back in the kitchen again, guys. We're gonna talk about the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book. This is it, guys. This is that lovely Caribbean Cuisine cooking book, guys. It's amazing. Just look at it. Lovely and nice. Basically, we have a few days leave before the year end, and there's a 50% off at the moment with this Caribbean Cuisine cooking book, guys. There's so many people out there been buying the book. They love it. They keep saying, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much for the book. You do a good job. Hopefully we will come out with the better and best for the volume 2 of the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for who brought the book over the Christmas, over the holiday. It's amazing. It was lovely and nice. There's so many people support me over the holiday. You just can't believe, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for who brought the book. We love you, and this is just brilliant. You know what I mean? Great. And I want to say thank you so much, guys. Remember, I dedicate the book to my daughter, and as I said, everything is just for my daughter, it's not for me. Alright? So thank you so much for who brought the book. We love you, and you know what I mean, hopefully we can do better in 2016. Love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. God bless.